Hello, I am João Pinto. I am a student of the Applied Mechatronics course at the Vet Center Duo. In this video we are going to demonstrate the process of testing and replacing a defective battery. First, you have to open the bonnet to access the compartment where the battery is installed. Then you should protect all the areas where tools or parts may be handled. It is also important to check the manufacturer's information regarding the method of replacing the battery. You need to remove all the protections that surround the battery. In order to diagnose a failing battery, you have to test it. As you can see in this appliance, the battery needs to be replaced. Start by disconnecting the battery. First, remove the negative terminal. Next, the same process for the positive terminal. Finally, remove the devices that are holding the battery in place so that it can be removed. The battery is then removed. It should not be placed on the floor, but rather on a workbench. It is now possible to install the new battery. Start installing the battery by placing the cables on the terminals in reverse order from which you removed them. First, the positive terminal. The same process is carried out for the negative terminal. Finish the installation by placing the holder and making sure that the clamps holding the cables on the battery terminals are tight. The surrounding protections are then reassembled. Remove all the previously installed protections from the vehicle. Finish the process by closing the bonnet. Do not forget to wear suitable protective equipment. And that's the end of our video about testing and replacing a battery. We thank the Sociedad Comercial C. Santos for providing us with space and equipment.